Hi everyone. This is like a comparative video between Eternity and Materialists. I feel like both the films have more or less a similar context or storyline, and I'd like to discuss why one film is better than the other. Both released in 2025, by the way. Eternity is a story about a woman who meets her two husbands after her death, one with whom she spent her whole life, and the other with whom she didn't get to live a life because he died in war. Materialists is about a woman who's meeting her new lover and her old lover at the same time, and then she has to choose between them. But the problem for me in Materialist was that it talks about modern dating and the dating life of a lot of people who are actually actively trying to find a partner instead of just leaving it upon God ki jab milega milega. So all of the problems that come with it, like meeting the not right people or going through something traumatic because you met the wrong person, all of these things were dealt with in a very casual way, while they actually in give space for a very deeper conversation. So the movie could have taken a more serious stand on it, but it did not. It just opened up conversation and then didn't talk about it enough. What else was wrong was I didn't see enough difference between the vices and virtues of Chris and Pedro. As a matter of fact, Pedro was someone who was really practical, and Chris was someone who's pretty much not serious enough because the age that they show him to be in the film, and even Dakota, and that is a very serious age to be in. You kind of have a life plan, you kind of have like a decision of what you want to do in life. I know not a lot of people have the luxury of doing that. Not to comment on that, but I feel like going from being someone who earns well, dresses well, maintains herself, tries to solve problems for other people's lives, her choosing a very practical life and then leaving her job by the end of the film was a very stupid resolution for what we would have desired. It was not like falling head over heels in love with someone because of a romantic proposal or begging for forgiveness. There really wasn't anything at all. I don't understand why anybody would have chosen the other character. The thing that was good with Eternity was we do see her pursue both the men almost equally. Elizabeth's character does not restrict herself or tell herself what would be morally correct or incorrect to do. It's not a very practical choice, but it's a very emotional choice. And we see that she's a character who's driven by emotion. So every time she goes to the tunnel where she actually gets to see the memories, we do understand that she is emotionally driven and not a practical, prim and proper person. And I think it was a good little addition that she was happiest when she was married for the first time, and the second time was not as exciting. But it's not one moment of happiness, it's a happiness of a collective life. And yeah, I think the resolution at the end of the film of her actually fighting to get back to where she really wants to be, um, with a person who would actually take care of her, with a person who had actually not just chosen her but also sacrificed for her, that is like a good resolution to the film. So yeah, I think this is what was missing in Materialist. This is what Eternity had. Eternity also had its own mess ups, but in a way, it was a much better film than Materialists. And yeah, I think that's that. Right.